So as you can see guys, it's a lovely wet rainy day here. It's the last Sunday we're here. And we're heading over to the Marina Bar. We're going to do a 3-course Sunday lunch there to show you guys what it's like. We've been there quite a lot, to be fair, for Sunday roasts, and they're always pretty good. Comes the thunder now as well, so yeah, we'll get in there, we'll show you what's going, what the menu's like and what the food's like, so you can see what it's like to decide if you want to go there yourself, guys. Right, so we're here at the Marina Bar for the Sunday lunch. Again, it's absolutely rammed in here. And there's a lot of people talking, so I don't even know what the audio will come out like from this time. So, yeah. So, 3 courses. I've actually gone for the country pate to start with. Sarah's gone for the chicken goujons. Then I've got roast beef and turkey for the main. And I've also ordered my Mars bar cheesecake. So a top tip we was told is the cheesecakes always sell out really quickly here. So make sure if you want the cheesecake, you order it as soon as you get in here, guys, to make sure that you secure one. Otherwise they run out. So obviously we wouldn't normally go for all 3 courses, but you know, for the purpose of showing you guys what the food's like here, I've had to go for the 3 courses, which is a real blow, I know. That's the chicken goujons for the starter with the barbecue sauce. I think Sarah went for on that one. And that's the country style pate. Comes with 4 nice slices or 4 chunks of bread to go with it. So we're going to tuck in, see what it's like, and we'll let you guys know. So that was the starters, and yeah, they were really good, to be fair. Like I say, I had the pate, which was really nice, on a bit of toasted bread, and Sarah had the chicken goujons, but she wasn't sharing, so I never got to taste what they like, but she does reliably inform me that they were very good. So that's the starters. We'll have a couple of minutes break now, just to let everything settle down again, and then hopefully we'll get some mains turning up as well. So as we're actually sat here now, it looks like the rain's finally stopping, and the sun's actually started to come out, so depending on if it is or it isn't, we might be able to get the drone up to show you the pool area outside later on, but I'm certainly not taking it out if it's really raining like it was on the way over, because there's some huge great puddles and we don't want to get the thing wet. So I've gone for the roast beef. This is actually Sarah's, and Sarah's got, what was it, beef and pork you've gone for? Pork and turkey, sorry. And then mine, which I've gone for, I have got roast beef and turkey. Now for some reason they've swapped it around, and Sarah's got the mash, which I should have, and we've got them round the wrong way, but we'll soon swap that over and sort that out. That won't be a problem. So yeah, we're going to tuck in and let you know what it's like. So that's obviously beef, turkey, roast potatoes, broccoli, carrots, and then cauliflower, plus stuffing and Yorkshire pudding. So that was our mains done, and yeah, very good, to be fair. So if you like you're looking for a proper sort of old school Sunday roast in Torrevieja, Marina Bar is definitely the place to come. Like I say, you get all 3 courses for €15, and the quality of it is exceptionally good, to be fair. So proper decent homemade gravy, Yorkshire puddings and everything. So yeah, come and give it a go, guys. Right, so that was the Marina Bar. That was only 2 courses because we've actually run out of time and we've got somewhere we've got to be for 4:30 and we haven't got time to get it. So they have actually given us the dessert to take home with us. So I'll have that later on when I get in. But what I'll do is I've got some footage from last week, the puddings on there, so I'll chuck them in so you can see what the puddings were like from there. I can't actually remember what I had. It wasn't cheesecake, it was something different, but yeah, we'll chuck that in so you'll still get to see some, and then when I get home I'll get a bit of footage of the cheesecake as well. So